Hello, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into Apple's latest innovation with the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The silent switch, a longtime companion on iPhones, has undergone a transformation into something entirely new: the action button. Join us as we explore the why behind this change and whether it's a step forward or a nod to the past. One of the driving forces behind this transformation is Apple's unwavering commitment to inclusivity. The action button is designed to make the iPhone experience smoother for users with special challenges and needs. It's not just a change. It's a stride towards a more accessible and user-friendly device for everyone. The action button is not just a silent switch replacement. It's a multifunctional powerhouse. Want to capture a moment? Launch the camera. Need a light in the dark? Activate the flashlight. The possibilities are endless: voice memo, magnifier, shortcuts, or accessibility features. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your pocket. But what about the silent mode lovers? Fear not. The action button can be customized to put your iPhone in silent mode, preserving that familiar functionality while introducing a new level of personalization. It's a bridge between the past and the future. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some hail the action button as ingenious, unlocking a new realm of iPhone possibilities. Others may find themselves reminiscing about the simplicity of the old mute slider. The question remains, what's your take on the action button? As we wrap up our journey into the iPhone 15 Pro's action button, we'd love to hear from you. Is it a game changer? Or do you miss the old silent switch? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.